The way to add an Hdri in Redshift is by using Dome Light, an infinite area light with texture mapping. By using Hdri images, high dynamic range imaging, you can achieve high quality lighting results that will otherwise require multiple lights. Let's see how it works. In Photoshop, I have 5 Hdri open. This Hdri can be found on Polyheaven's website. You can download it for free. It's a Hdri library with many options, so you can use any Hdri you like to try it in your scene. In this scene, I will add a dome light. Now, in the general section, go to Object and find where you save the Hdri. To start comparing between each Hdri, we are going to test and take a snapshot here.
I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want. So give me all the scars, I'm a human being. Cover them with tattoos.
This way, you can change the Hdri to compare and decide which one to use for your composition.
I just wish I had seen. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show.